Good afternoon, everyone. Jay Scalero back here again. Alright, today I was at Home Depot. I was getting some 2x4s and 2x8s to make some wood projects, and I come across this Ryobi 18 volt 1 system kit. So it comes with a variety of tools here. In this kit, I got a compact drill, impact driver, a circular saw, reciprocating saw, a Job Plus multi-tool, and you get a work light. It also came with 2 compact lithium batteries, a charger, and a tool bag. So for the price of 200 bucks, it's a pretty good deal, because if you buy all these separate, it's about a $450 to $500 value. So let's take a look inside. Oh boy. Might open this up backwards. Wow. Nice size tool bag here. Alright. So, got my blade here. Saw. Looks like I got a couple of batteries here. Sweet. You gotta have these, and they're pretty expensive when you buy them by themselves. Got my impact driver. Been needing one of these, and I was gonna buy one separate. Looking at a Milwaukee, it's over $100 for the kit. Came with maybe one battery, if that. Nice circular saw here. It's pretty sweet. I can get it out of the damn package. Yeah, so I'm gonna be stripping down some pallets soon, and I found out this is the easiest way to get the nails out, get the wood boards out. Pretty good blade in there. Oh yeah. I've had my saw for quite a while, and it's on its life, so I definitely needed a nice new one. 10-inch, pretty sweet. And get a compact driver, drill. I like the color of the tools, you know, very sweet. Got your battery charger. Hey guys, this is all $200 for everything. It's at Home Depot right now. They're running a special. They had another special, actually. Buy one of their $100 kits of charger and 2 batteries, and you got a free tool out of it. I was gonna go back and get this hedge trimmer, but unfortunately they only had 12 in stock, and I was too late. And then you got some pads, and got your light. Pretty sweet, guys. Hey, for 200 bucks, can't beat it, especially if you don't have the tools right now and you need them. If you wait too long, you're gonna end up spending way more. So I was at Home Depot. Ryobi Job Plus 1 tools. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and you know, just check it out, because hey, for 200 bucks you can't beat it.